Alright guys, today is April the 4th and we've got quite a bit of snow coming down here. This is just a short little update for you on the homestead. You can see the pooling water over here. Got a puppy, or a dog that comes by and visits all the time. He lives over there. That was Enzel's brother. Or is yeah, well Enzel's gone now, but that's where Enzel's brother lives. Here's where the water's starting to pool. This is the area that breached the road last year. But as you can see, a lot of the snow is dissipated, but now we've got this storm. It looks like we're gonna have snow for the next 4 or 5 days. So that really is not too welcoming, but you can see the snow in the yard has gone down quite a bit from the slow thaw, and hopefully it continues to slow thaw. But next week it's supposed to be a high of plus 11, so that means the snow is going to melt real fast. But anyways, just wanted to give you a short little update here. I gotta take all that down soon as the snow flies and is gone, and do it properly. It was just a makeshift thing for the winter there. Here's the backyard here, back part of the house anyways. I gotta clean up all this, and I have to get some more chickens, fix up that coop. I've got the I don't know if you can see the smoke coming out of there, but I've got wood in the fire, keep the house warm. Right now it's -3. Might even be -2 right now. That's Celsius. And then I'll have to go up there later on and clean out those yeast troughs when it warms up. Well, that's about it, guys. I'm just headed to work. Today is my Friday. I have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday off. So every second week I get 3 days off. So there you go. I'm gonna get in there because it's getting a little windy here, and my hand's starting to get cold. So anyways, we'll see you later, guys. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll do some more updates on the homestead in the next few days. Alrighty, we'll see you later, guys. Ciao for now. Adios.